Hi guys, this is Advocate Isha Kapoor and you're watching Vlogish. Many of you are also here because you are a party to a divorce case, or your wife has left you without giving any sufficient reason, or your wife is living in an extramarital relationship, your wife is living in adultery, your spouse is living in adultery, or you have already been granted divorce on the ground of your wife's adultery or desertion from your society without any sufficient cause, and the court has ordered you to pay maintenance. I totally understand how disheartening it can be, how irritating it can get for the clients to pay maintenance after they have divorced their spouse on the ground that the spouse left them without giving any reason, without fault, without any fault on the part of the other party. I encountered a similar case in the court today. What happened was the court had granted maintenance to the tune of rupees 10,000 per month, and this maintenance can even in cases where middle class families and parties are involved, it can go up to rupees 20 to 25,000 rupees per month. After the divorce was granted on the ground of adultery, this maintenance was also awarded to the wife. And husband was directed to pay the maintenance. The husband was irked. He was actually in a state of helplessness. He thought now what he'll do, because he never wanted to be separated from his wife. The divorce was not due to any fault of his, but due to the fault of the other party. The fault theory definitely applied here. So I will now let you know what all options you have. Hi guys, do you know why I am here in between? I know you are watching a video and I'm disturbing you guys, but the thing is such that I think it's worth disturbing you. Olive Board is a platform which has come up with free demo classes for all you guys who want certain guidance on many areas of law which you are unclear with. What you can do is you can visit the link given in the pinned comment below in the comment section of this video, and you will be able to access the Olive Board's free demo classes. These demo classes are so detailed that when I visited them myself, even I was able to learn, I was able to grasp the concepts very quickly. I realized that I am revising all that I learned in the law school. You can see demo lectures on constitutional law, on contract law, on criminal law, on many other laws as well. It's not those demo classes for which you will have to pay later, but these are full length 1 hour lectures which you can access very easily to understand any basic concept of law. So if you are a judiciary aspirant, you must go and visit the Olive Board's website, and you must take advantage of the free demo classes that they are giving you. You will be taught by the experts without any extra charges or any hidden costs. That's my guarantee. Let me just continue the video. So you are that husband who has been granted divorce on the ground of adultery or desertion by your wife without any sufficient cause, and now you have been directed to pay maintenance as well by the court. What you can do is you can take help from the remedy given under section 125 subsection 4 of the CRPC. And if you're a Hindu and if the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act applies to you, then there also you have an option to proceed. So if you see 125(4) of CRPC, this section will help you to understand that if your wife has become unchaste, or if you have given your divorce to your wife on this ground that she is living with a boyfriend, she is living in a extramarital affair, she is living in adultery actually, and she continues to live in adultery, then she is not liable to get any maintenance. The reason behind this is one who's trying to take help from the law must come with clean hands. So if the mistake is on your wife's part, then she is not liable to get any maintenance or any payment from you, any maintenance, any kind of amount that is fixed monthly, yearly, or in any other manner. You must also know that in certain circumstances the spouses have a right to live separately from their other spouse. So even the wives have a right to live separately from the husband if there are certain grounds that are satisfied. But if your wife is living separately from you without any reason and has left you without informing you any reason, even if you have filed a section 9 petition, you have filed for RCR, restitution of conjugal rights, then also she is not coming back. She's just making excuses to stay away from you and your family. Then in that case, you will not be liable to pay maintenance if you get divorced after some time. Even after divorce, if you prove, if throughout the divorce proceedings you are able to prove that your wife is unchaste and your wife is living in an extramarital affair or a relationship, then you will not be liable to pay any kind of maintenance to your wife. Now you people will ask me, how do we prove that in a case for divorce that my wife is living in adultery, my wife has a boyfriend and is living in an extramarital relationship? Do you know generally what courts accept as evidences to prove, in order to prove that your wife is living in an extramarital relationship or your wife is unchaste? Maybe the birth of a child that is illegitimate and you give paternity proof of that child, DNA tests that are conducted. I made a separate video on the DNA testing itself. Then WhatsApp chats or any other chats on any other platform, confession by your own wife that she has a boyfriend, she is living with that person, she has a person with whom she is having an extramarital affair. Then photos, videos will also count as some documentary proof to prove that your wife is unchaste or is living in an extramarital affair or a relationship. Now once you prove it in your divorce proceedings and you get divorce on that ground, but thereafter also you the magistrate awards you your wife the maintenance amount and directs you to pay the maintenance amount to her monthly. What will you do? You will simply go to a lawyer, approach a lawyer who's appropriate for this matter, and you will request that person, the concerned advocate, to get that maintenance order cancelled. So you will simply apply for cancellation of the maintenance order granted to you. You do not need to pay that throughout your life. You do not need to suffer for your life, because I understand that you have already suffered a lot because you were trying to get out of a marriage which was not working and the fault was not yours. Now, if you fear that the cancellation application that you'll put before the magistrate will get rejected, or it gets rejected in fact, then don't worry, you have an option to go before a higher court. You can apply for a revision of that cancellation order, and I'm sure one of the courts will definitely help you. Before continuing with the video, this is a gift for all those who are preparing for the CLAT exam or those who want to crack any of the law entrances. An academy has launched many of its batches and courses for the law aspirants, and those of you who need to know why should they join an academy, here are 6 features for you guys which are very important for you to know if you are spending your money on something. One feature that I like is about raising hand, which makes you feel like you are not in an online class but you are in a physical lecture only, where you can ask any doubts from your teachers, where you can discuss it out with your teachers whenever you face any issues in the subjects. Then just like any other preparation, here also you need to give repeated tests, so that can be monthly or weekly tests. An academy provides you with all that as well, and mark my words, every test that they provide do not contain repetitive questions, and you will be able to see a lot of quality content on their tests as well. ये सारी फैसिलिटीज़ जो यहाँ हैं, जैसे कि ये सेशंस ऑर्गेनाइज़ किए उन्होंने 15, 17, 19 नवंबर को, ऐसे सेशंस भी रिपीटेडली होते रहते हैं. एंड इवन इफ़ यू आर जॉइनिंग लेट, then also you can see the recording of such lectures on the Unacademy app if you take the subscription today. Then I have also given you information about a lot of batches, and in case you want to join any of the batches on Unacademy, or if you want to join more than one batches also, you must use the code VLOGISH, because that way you will get an additional 10% off. So I hope you were able to understand that what happens when you prove that your wife is unchaste, is that your wife was not living in loyalty with you, what all you can do to get the maintenance order granted to her cancelled. Do not worry, the advocates are there to help you only. वो ensure करेंगे कि आपको ऐसे किसी भी circumstances में maintenance amount के लिए ना pay करना पड़े. मैंने आपको CRPC और HAMA के provisions बता दिए जो इससे related हैं. तो I hope this video was of some help to you.